Sepals are structures that covers the flower bed, protecting it as it So why is fertilization not possible but pollination? Pollination allows pollen grains that produces male germ cells to reach the pistil. These are three parts of the pistil: a flower, bud, lawn, and a tip. Moved on the different functions of state, the difference between budding in hydra and budding in yeast. Okay, leaves are biofilm. The leaves are biofilm found on the ground. Ravi took 3 breathslices and that. What is the function of sepals and pestils? So sepals are the structure that covers a flower bud, protecting it as it's as it develops. Oh, so like sepals are the protective. Uh, sepals are the structure that covers the flower's bud. Okay, got it. How sepals are the sepals that covers the flower bed, protecting it as it develops. So then the function of petals, petals, okay, is to attract insects for pollination and to protect the reproductive part, which are at the center of the flower. Okay. So these two are the reproductive, protective part of the flowers. Sepals protect the better the bud flower covers the flowers bud cover the flower bud covers the flower protect develops. Then function petals is um, it attracts insects for pollination and to protect the productive part of the flower. Okay, it's easy. Why is fertilization not possible without pollination? Why is fertilization not possible without pollination? Why is fertilization not possible without pollination? Pollination allows pollen grains to produce male germ cell to reach the pistil, which contains female germ cell. Thus, fertilization, which involves the fusion of male and germ cell, female germ cell, can occur only after pollination. Why is fertilization not possible without pollination? Ah, okay. So pollination is when the pollen grains from the anther to the stigma. So pistil. So pollen grains that produce male germ cell to reach the pistil, which contains the female germ cell. Pistil, contains a female germ cell. Okay. Thus, fertilization, which involves the fusion of a male and female genes, can only occur after pollination. So, the pollination name the three parts of the pistil and give in repeat. So, there's ovary, there's style, and stigma. Ovary contains OVU, which is a reproductive germ cell, which is the female germ cell. Style is exposed, like it exposes the stigma for pollination. The pollen tube. Stigma, it is the sticky and receives the pollen grains during pollination. Stigma, it is sticky and receives the pollen grains during pollination. Stigma, anthers to the stigma. Okay. So what style do? Style reaches pollen tube grows at the pollen grains through the style to reach the ovary. Pollen tubes, pollen tubes grow out, grow out of the pollen grains through the style. Hmm. Fertilization is seen in the following. At least 30 of these. Mm, I'm stuck with T. Enumerate the method of fertilization as seen. When a pollen grain reaches the stigma of the flower, starts giving rise to a pollen tube that passes through. Oh, that's this. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, okay. Now I'm getting it. Okay, so when a pollen grain touches stigma of the flower, it starts giving rise pollen tube that passes through the style and reaches the ovary of the pistil. When the pollen tube reaches the ovary, the part is ovary, but so that is OVU. It releases the male germ cell. Male cells are released into the ovule for fertilization with the female egg cell, and thus the zygote is formed. After this process of fertilization, the ovary develops into a fruit and ovule into a seed. Oh, damn. So, sayonara, mother. And new flowers right there. So the ovule becomes a fruit, ovule into a seed. So it's another life span of what? And then there's a falling grain, so it's to release its hormones and its male germ cells into ovule. Male germs are released into the ovule, and then the zygote is formed. After the process of fertilization of ovary develops into fruit and ovules to see. What changes occur in the flower after pollination and fertilization? After fertilization, the zygote divides several times to form the embryo within the ovule. The ovule develops a tough coat. Oh, that is a seed. Okay. The ovule develops into a tough coat and is gradually converted into a seed. So the ovule gets converted into seed and the kernel of the seed has the hard coat of it. Okay. Okay, got it. Then the ovary grows rapidly and ripens to form a fruit. The petals, stamens, are- stamens, support ovary, segment, pistil. Why is something more broke? I really don't know the answer to that. What are you talking about? I got another. I have a question. Okay. So after zygote becomes into a hard coat, a tough coat, and forms an embryo, turns into an embryo. Oh wait. After fertilization, the zygote goes into multiple division, divides several times to form an embryo. And the ovule develops into a tough coat that gradually get converted into a seed. The ovary grows, ripens to form a fruit, and the petals, stamens, sepal style, stigma may shrivel and fall off. Is a seed. Ovule develops into a seed. It contains the future plant or embryo, which develops into a seedling under appropriate conditions. Michael, what is it? Yeah, yeah, self-pollination, cross-pollination. Okay. How is the process of pollination different from fertilization? The germ cell fuses with the female germ cell to form zygote. Okay. This you got. Differentiate between unisexual and bisexual flowers. Unisexual contains either a male or a female part of the flower. Bisexual it contains both male and female parts. Hibiscus, mustard, papaya. What is the function of testis? Site for formation of sperms, produces hormones testosterone, which is responsible for secondary sexual contrasting. Okay. What is sex ratio? Sex ratio is the ratio of the number of women in the society to every thousand men. It is depicted as number of females per 1,000 men. And APT sex ratio should be 1,000 by 1,000. A healthy sex ratio is necessary of healthy society. There has been an alarming decline in the sex ratio in many states of India, which has adversely affected the society. What should be the probable reason for declining female male sex ratio in this ratio in our country? So there's two measures. I'd actually one is to one. I got no idea, bro. I can't say the definition of what it does. Okay, I'm getting hesitant. That's just crazy, bro. That's just crazy. You mentioned the functions of seminal vesicles constitute. So the secretion of seminal vesicles are working to provide nutrition to the sperm and make their further transportation easier. Okay. What is seminal vesicle do? Okay, state that they have function of the following. Only the pair of ovaries are located in the abdominal cavity. Pair of ovaries near the kidneys. Function produces female gamete. From then ah, produces female. Okay. Fallopian tube or oviduct is a pair of long uh, tubes that carry the ova or eggs from the ovary to the uterus. Fertilization takes place in the fallopian tube. Long a pair of long tubes that carry the ova or eggs from the ovary to Where are you right now? Stay up. Can you to remember what the devices? Can you remember it? What music? For the exams? Still, I'm not in case. Creating something. Yes. Emotions also when mom comes, I can revise on it. Days over tomorrow. I may not be the best. I may not score. It's not work to go with it. I just want to say this one thing. I just love it, but I just want to say this thing. I need to work. I need to work on local because simply is I can't say that. ചൂടാണ് മുറിക്കകത്ത് ചൂട് എവിടായി ഓക്കെ എവിടായി This guy. I'm trying to figure out the spelling of guy. What guy? I don't know. It feels weird when I write guy. Close the door. Good light, no? No, I don't want that. Light has too much brightness. Fallopian tube is a pair of long tubes that carries the ova from the ovary from the ovary to the uterus, right? To the uterus. Uterus is a hollow, pear-shaped implementation of zygote, nourishment of the development. Okay, vagina. The vertical canal along with the vagina forms the birth canal. Just a ticket. How does the uterus prepare itself for receiving a fertilized egg? So the lining of the uterus thickens. The lining of the uterus thickens. The lining of the uterus thickens and becomes spongy. It is richly supplied with blood. It is richly supplied with blood. Okay, richly supplied with blood nourished to nourish the growing embryo. If fertilization does not take place, the lining is not needed any longer. So the lining slowly breaks and comes out through the vagina as blood and mucus. This cycle, which occurs roughly every month, is known as menstruation system. What is this? ജാക്കറ്റിലാണോ കഴുത്തിന്റെ ഷൂലേസ് ഉണ്ടോ ഷൂലേസ് ഉള്ളത് ജാക്കറ്റ് ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു മണമുണ്ടേ ഇത് ഇതിന്റെ ഇവിടെ പുറത്തുണ്ട് ഇത് നമുക്ക് ജനാല ഓപ്പൺ ദിസ് എൻറ്റയർ ടൈം ഞാനിപ്പോ അടിച്ചതോളൂ അല്ലേ ചാ വന്നേ How does embryo get nourishment inside the mother's womb? After fertilization, the lining
വിളിച്ചാ
of the
വരത്തില്ല.
uterus thickens and is originally supplied with blood, nourishing the growing embryo. The embryo
ആ
gets
ജാക്കറ്റ് എടുത്ത്
nutrition from
പുറത്തോട്ട്
the
ഇടും.
mother's blood. Oh, so from the mother's blood, he gets
യവൻ
nourished.
ആ സ്പിന്റെ തുറന്നത്
Placenta. What is placenta?
കസേരമ കൊണ്ടിടണം.
Oh, yeah, no. So, it does not take place if the fertilization. Okay. It gets nutrition from the mother's blood with the help of a special tissue called placenta. The disc-shaped tissue which is embedded in the uterine wall. Placenta contains villi on the embryo's side of the tissue and blood spaces on the mother's side surrounding the villi. This provides a large area, food, and oxygen to pass from mothers to the embryo, from mother to the embryo, and waste products from embryo to the mother. So, eggs in females are not the same as sperms produced in males. Egg is large and contains nutrients. The egg is non-motile. The sperm is smaller in size. The sperm is motile due to the presence of tail. Motile or motile. That was motile. I got a freaking ChatGPT here. I got ChatGPT or ChatGPT. That is motile. To move efficiently. Oh, it is motile. Motile motion of the sperm. So okay.
യവനെ
Hmm.
ഈ കണ്ണെന്തിനാണ് നീ വാങ്ങിച്ചത്?
You said
പ്രൈസ് എത്ര ഞാൻ പറഞ്ഞു?
250. 250.
കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല.
250.
150.
Oh.
ഇത് 490. Why do you buy this? ഇത് തുറന്നിട്ട് മണം പോട്ടെ.
Testis is located outside the body. Because it needs to be cooled. Testis located out of the body. Testis located out of the body because the sperm formation should be low. The formation requires a low temperature than the normal body temperature. Still, when you variations beneficial to species but not necessary for individuals. because I don't know. I really don't know the answer to that. At the end of the day, whoa, lock in, buddy. Come on, ace that exam. Come together. This is my last